Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment. Install Anaconda or use pip, then create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and ipykernel, and register the kernel for your project. Next, open Jupyter Lab or Notebook from the project folder and create a new notebook. Make sure to select the kernel tied to your virtual environment. This ensures the code you run uses the packages you just installed. You now load and inspect the data. Use Pandas read functions to ingest CSV, Excel, or SQL data directly into a data frame. Then run head, info, and describe to check types, missingness, and distributions so you know what to fix. After inspection, clean in small, testable steps. Convert types with a stipe, parse dates, filna, or dropna, and remove duplicates. Run cell by cell so you can revert easily if a transformation changes results unexpectedly. You perform analysis using GroupB, pivot table, and apply custom functions to produce metrics. Once computed, validate results with unit tests or simple assertions so you catch logic errors. Then create visualizations. Start with Seaborn for quick plots, add Plotly for interactivity, and annotate axes and titles for clarity. Finally, export clean data and results to CSV or to Excel and save the notebook as HTML or PDF for stakeholders. If the notebook runs slowly, try restarting the kernel and running cells in order to clear memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.